Tim from Holistic here. In this video I'm going to show you how to add the new virtual cards that YouTube allow us to add to videos. So I'm going to take you through the process and show you what they are. So first of all, let me show you what it is on another client's site. So here's a video, and what I've done is added this little thing here, and this is all it is. If I just restart that, refresh that, you'll see how it's got a bit of text: learn more, divorce mediators, and basically it's a kind of card or a link, and when you click on it, it opens out like this, and this is extracted from the client's website, and then if somebody wants to, they can click on this and go straight to the client's website, or even better, if there is a specific page that addresses the topic of this video, then it can go straight to that page. So if I click on this, you'll see what I mean. I'm going to click on this now, and it's going to go to the relative page where this video is posted and the subject is talked about on the client's site, and you can kind of see the different videos there. So that's all it is. It's just like an overlay where this appears on the video. So I'm going to do one right now. First thing you'll do is you'll log into the YouTube channel, and you'll need to go to the client's website, and in this particular case it is, let's let that load. So this is the client's website here, and let's get rid of that one. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on videos, and you can see all of the videos that are uploaded here, and there's quite a few. I think we've got, I'm not sure how many there are, something like 60 I think we've done so far. So I'm going to do this one, and let's take you through the process. So first of all, I'm going to click on the video, and then when you're logged into the channel, you'll have the ability to go to the video manager, and the video manager, the videos look like this. So then you can go in and you can edit each video individually, and I'm going to go into edit, and here you've got cards, and this is where you add it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to add a card. Just pause it. And you can do different things. In this case, we're going to send links to an associated website, which is the client's website. And what you're going to do is put in the URL, first of all. And here's where the process gets a little bit more interesting, is that what we're going to want to do is link that video to a specific page. It's pretty easy to do. Get the URL for that page. So we're going to associate website. I'm going to paste in the URL of the page, and it's that one there, and it should take a second, and it will tell us that's okay. Basically, it's going to pick an image from the page to associate with the little overlay on the YouTube video, and if you don't like the image, you can kind of just click through and select different images. However, that's a pretty good one, so just make use of an image that's actually on the page. Now we want a call to action, and there's a very limited number of characters here, so you have to work on this a little bit, and you have to think about what makes sense to add there. So I'm going to say learn, if I can spell it, more about this wine seller. And as you can see, I'm out of characters already, so you've got to work a little bit to try and get your key phrase in here and say something sensible that's going to prompt somebody to want to click on it. Learn more, wine seller, still a little bit over, so maybe I can say learn more wine cellar designs. So that's pretty good. Look at the actual page and think about something you can actually say associated with that project. It's always a good idea to localize it if the page is localized. So let's take a look at this page. And this is all about a project in Manhattan Beach in Los Angeles. We could make use of that. We could say Los Angeles wine cellar designs, something like that. So you've got a lot of variance in terms of how you can, because you can figure out, well, what is this actually optimized for? And the heading here is obviously your biggest kind of clue as to what you should put in there. Go back to my virtual card here. So how about if I said Los Angeles wine cellar designs, 2 characters over the limit there. one character over. I'm going to take a little bit of the liberty and I'm going to make that one word, and I just squeeze it in. So Los Angeles Wine Cellar Designs. That works all right. So I'm going to say create card, and that's what it's added, Los Angeles Wine Cellar Designs, and that's what it looks like when somebody clicks over it. And then if they click on this, it will take them. It should, and you want to make sure that you test this and make sure it always works. So we're going to click on that, it'll open a new page, and it should go to our target page there. So that's basically all we're doing, is we're creating a prompt on the video that takes us to the relevant page. So make sure that before you're done, you look at this in a separate browser to make sure that everything works as you expect it to. This down here just specifies when it's going to start, and there's no reason not to have that on from the beginning, so we just kind of leave it there and then it runs through the course of the video. Pretty easy.